and discuss very important topic that is called. So anyone coming to your Play Store, if you search any application, how to our application showing always first position. So I can go to your Google Play Store, select your application. If anyone searching for free food delivery apps, we're showing first position, Food Panda, Uber Eats, Zomato, Swiggy, and etc. So I'm removed for free. Zomato, Swiggy, and Food Panda. So we can give by ranking in first page. This is called your first page position. This will be. Why? Because anybody you can search your application. First of all, they can check the first 10 applications. This will be. And how you can promote your ad on particular Play Store. Every time our app will be showing for first position. That is called, you can create ad is called Google AdWords. So 31 google.com/AdWords, google.com/AdWords. You can create by anytime Play Store application and App Store. But anytime we can't create the two ads will be one time. Once creating Play Store, after create by App Store. Now click for sign in. So what are the application you are promoting? That is the total dependent by the 4 keywords. Each keyword we can writing for 25 characters. So the campaign structure will be created here. Any campaign will be created. That option is called new campaign. Which one? New campaign. Subcategory will be 6. Main category will be 5. Subcategory will be 6. Main category will be 5. Select your campaign. Create new campaign. First of all, see the subcategories. Sale, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness reach, and app promotion. These are 6 subcategories. Main category will be 5. The main category will be search, display, shopping, video, and apps recently launching for smart. These are another 6 category. Remaining we have the 5. The recent launching one more is called smart. Create text and image ads that show on Google, Google Maps, and across the web, and take advantage of the minimal ads on management. Nothing but Google ad, Google Ad Express will create by one ad. That is called smart. Google and Google AdWords Express will create in one ad is called smart ad. So right now we're promoting which one? Application. Search your application. The application is called Android. The application name is called, you can select by the Food Panda. Local food delivery application. Select it. Any application will be promoted will be 20 images and 20 videos and 20 HTML tags. Is optional. We can add by 20 images, optional. We can add by one image or no image also required. Video. If you add the video, the ad will showing for YouTube or else not required. But the ad will be promoted by your Google Play Store. Click for continue. Any application will be promoted. The total dependent by the will be total 4 keywords. Select here. First of all, food delivery app. Okay. And best discount. Cashback. Offers. Special cricket. Offer. When you are running for cricket matches, we can give by special cricket offers. So this will be writing for your application. Each category will writing for how many characters? 25. So this will be given best discount and cashback offers. They're promoting for two keywords. And the ad will be showing for total options are here. Google search, display, and YouTube and Play Store. Play Store will be like this. And this mobile ad will be showing only for mobile version. Desktop, we not eligible. Total, this application will promote only for mobile version. This 4 we can eligible by the mobile version. YouTube will be option by desktop and mobile also. But maximum 90% will be mobile users. Now, I'm selecting for 4 keywords. Next, your video. Select by Food Panda video. We'll write by Food Panda. Go to YouTube. By search, you will be not found out. You can go to the YouTube. Select by video by the YouTube channel. Food Panda. So anyone we can come into videos or different videos are there. Select it. Channel. Channel. Select it. We can only for promoting video we can using by the Food Panda video we can set by YouTube channel. So any unnecessary video we can focus by the promote by videos. Coming to this copy video. Select it. And select your video. See this. This video we can show by YouTube by using by skip ad. This video we can eligible only for where? Only for YouTube option. We can up to add by 20 videos. As your patient, we can add by how many videos total? Up to 20 videos. Next one, up to adding for 20 images. The specific support size will be given by your option. This all will be optional. You can add the image or not, your option. That is your total, your option. The particular sizes are will be given by support size will be when click by this option, you can see your add sizes. Coming to scroll up, these are the sizes to create an image for advertisement purpose. The application will be promote. One is called 20 videos, 20 images, and you can use by 20 HTML script. These are the options. Without adding video, without adding for images, the ad will display by your Google search, Google display, YouTube and Play Store. Always remember, any mobile app will be promoting, first of all, Google search, mobile version. Google display for nothing but which apps approved by the Google AdSense, they can show our app ad. That is only for mobile users. This will be YouTube by desktop, by mobile. but 90% will be mobile user target. Last one, Play Store. This is totally mobile user target. Any mobile application we can target by the mobile user. Please note down. Any mobile app promotion will target only for mobile users, not for desktop users. Mobile users, not for desktop users. Next, select your target location where you can promoting target Hyderabad, and any option will be set by here. People in or who are interested in your target location. They always select by the recommended will be always. Same will be recommended by exclude. Next will be language, English. Mobile application nothing but cost per install. Cost per install. When people install, it will be charged. Now, per day budget minimum 500. How much? 500 is the install value, and it's by all users. Each install how much you charge? 0.25 paisa. How much? 0.25 paisa. So anybody click install option, they charge by how much? 0.25 paisa. Suppose you can add for 1 rupee. You can add your option. So clear? So finally, set by start date and end date. So I'm adding for my budget will be 500. When 500 will be finished, my ad will be close. Save and continue. Finally, you can see by confirmation date, start and date will be confirmed. Location Hyderabad, English, campaign budget will be 500. Campaign optimization will be install value. App install will be 1 rupee. We'll get only for 500 installs. And campaign goal, I'm not set any kind of goals. Text idea 4, image will be 0, video will be 1, and HTML5 will be 0. Continue to campaign. If further any have objection, the ad will be rejected. The ad will be rejected, or else the ad will be eligible going to under review. So you can come into your what is showing for eligible. I can see by ad campaign they showing for the review process. Why? The campaign when budget will be started, the review will be confirmed. They start your campaign. So any campaign budget will adding option called tools and settings and the billing and the payment method. So this is called create ad by your particular mobile application. And what are the campaign will be create? The campaign will be checked by your campaign option. So if you're running the any mobile application on time, any application don't give the end date. Why? Anytime you can run the application. That is a major part. So any app will be promoted by your Google Ads. Don't give the end date. Why? Anytime that will be run, anytime will be pause. That will be, you can show your option. Pause. Anytime will be enabled. So that is called any type of ad will be created for lifetime. Don't give the end date by your campaign. Only give by start date or start your campaign. This is very important by your particular campaign creation. Suppose you can run ad will only for 1 day purpose. You can mention by start date and end date only for 24 hours. So this is a create a campaign for mobile application.